Alright, so this is just a driving test. Just want to see how the tripod and taking a video while driving actually works out. So, vehicle is a 2000 Ford F350 7.3 ZF6 manual trans. Gonna get out here and go up to the stoplight and get some speed. Go through some gears. And I will be winding down the window on the passenger side. See if I can get a little bit more sound. It's currently -6, -8. So a little slick, a little cold. Truck's warmed up though. So we'll see how she does. And there's no external mic. This is a stock Canon T7i Rebel. And it does not have any kind of external mic. It's a factory internal mic. Sounds like.